Hello everyone and welcome to this video guys. In this video, I'll be telling you about top 2 projects to mention in your resume if you're applying for data analytics apprenticeship program for 2025 and if you're a fresher. Let's get started. The first thing is I'll show you my resume, what exactly I have done. This is completely for fresher guys. So let's begin. So the first thing I mentioned 2 projects. One is about market analysis and business insights. Another one is about sales forecasting and predictive analysis projects. So one of the project is from Mintra. So one of the employee has recommended this project. So definitely guys, you have to check out this project. So there are 2 projects in this. So first I'll explain you about my resume. I have clearly mentioned about all the basic things. I have mentioned about my education, skills, languages, interests, achievements, references, coursework, what I have done, certification. But apart from that, what is more important is about the projects. So the number one project is market analysis and business insights. Before telling you the project, I'll explain about the project also guys. If you want to make the same project, then definitely you can go ahead and make the same project also. So the first, let me read out the things what I have mentioned. Conducted comprehensive market analysis. So analysis comes in the data, data analyst, then segmented customer data, then generated actionable business insights, then created visual reports, graph, like using graphs, pivot table, Excel sheets, and everything. Then propose a data-backed recommendations. After you complete everything, you have given a recommendation to the stakeholders. That is the first project. And the second project is about sales forecasting and predictive analysis project. Develop a sales forecasting model using a historical sales data, analyze seasonality and trends, utilize data visualization tools, integrated predictive analysis, and deliver actionable insights. So what do you mean by this one sentence? Analyze seasonality and trends. This means according to the season, you have seen what exactly the product had created the demand and in which product the demand was less. For example, in the festival season, the demand for the clothes, the festive clothes becomes more compared to the off season, right? So these are the two major projects which I have included in my resume, and it's guys very highly recommended. If you don't have any experience, it's highly recommended to put out the projects in your resume. So let me explain you clearly about the project, what exactly it is. So the first project is about market analysis and business insight project. It clearly understands the customer behavior. So what I have done is analyze customer data to identify key trends and patterns in the market behavior. What is the behavior of the customer? The first thing that I have analyzed. Then explore the sales data to determine which products are performing well and which were not, right? Then segmented the market to understand customer preference according to the different region. For example, in South India, people might be wearing lungi, the same where in the North India, people might be wearing different dresses, right? So according to the region, I have sorted it out. Then creating visual reports to present insights to the clear stakeholders. And here comes the important thing, your Power BI and visualizing tools. Once you create everything, you are supposed to present the data to the stakeholders. And after that, providing actionable recommendations to improve marketing strategies and boost sales performance, right? So once you present data to the stakeholders, then definitely you will give your own recommendation, right? Because you have worked on this data in and out, right? So definitely your recommendation would be asked exactly what are the extra thing we can do so that we can increase the strategies or increase the revenue of things, right? So that is most of the important thing to understand about the customer behavior. So in this project, I understood the customer behavior and a pattern, how he buys the things, right? The second project is about sales forecasting and predictive analysis project. So in this project, what I have done is utilize historical sales data to predict future sales trends. So this is basically very important when it comes to statistics or data analytics. So you take previous year data and basis of that you analyze like exactly what will be our sales. You have always seen this in the Shark Tank also, right? So they mentioned that in this year I have made so much of profit, so I predict that I'll make so much of more profit in coming years, right? This is how it works. Then identifying patterns in the sales data to forecast demand fluctuations. So definitely you are supposed to identify exactly what pattern he has seen throughout the sales, where the sales went down, where the sales went up. So this data I have analyzed. Then developed a predictive model using statistical technique like linear regression. If you have learned statistics, then definitely you will be learning about linear regression, right? And I'll mention that Chris sir has definitely covered this topic. So in this model, you predict the things by using statistical techniques. Next comes creating visualization representation of forecast and communicating insights. But again, the same thing, visualizing through the Power BI techniques and everything, you put out the insights, right? Then you provide recommendation. So these were the two major projects which I have worked. Again, guys, just don't mention what I have shown over here. Make sure that you work on the project, use tools like SQL, statistics, Python, use everything and make the insightful project, guys. It will take time for you. At least it will take time 1 to 2 days to work on this project and understand, but definitely go ahead, make this project and then apply it for the Google Apprenticeship Directs if you guys are fresher. It is highly recommended, guys. And if you want me to share this resume pattern, then definitely just reach out to me on Instagram. I'll definitely share my resume to you guys. Just message me on Instagram and definitely I'll share my resume to you guys. No worries, I'll definitely do that. But make sure that you do the project, guys, because that is most important thing. Till then, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Definitely we'll meet soon. Thank you. Bye.